5 years, there is 1,75,000 students who has graduated from different streams. These are shocking figures. If you say 16.5% of increase in unemployment rate, that means more than 50 to 60,000 people are unemployed today. What is the government doing in terms of giving them jobs? There is no future. Our youth are forced to leave the country and go abroad. Why? Because they don't feel that the government has given them a surety. The government has failed to give them stability, and the government has failed to give them dignity. This is a sad state of affairs that is happening in Goa. And I urge, तुम्ही जॉब फेअर करता, तुम्ही म्हणता प्रमोद सावंत म्हणता 10,000 नोकऱ्यो दितलो तुमकां, पण सर तुमकां सांगूंक सोदता 10,000 नोकरी दिवन कांय फायदो ना. Every year there are more than 35,000 students that is been getting out of schools and colleges. What about the remaining 25,000? Do they sit at home? This is my question to you. Also, I want to ask the government that you all talk about job fairs. Last time you all had a job fair, it was only a event management stunt. जर तुम्ही म्हणता की 10,000 people or 500 people came, only 50% of the assured number turned up. Corporate companies are there. If you go to any corporate companies or if you go anywhere, you see that non-Goans are given first priority. Why are Goans not given first priority? This is my question to the Chief Minister. And I would like to urge the government to see their GDP and GSDP, which is been decreasing, and the inflation rate in Goa is fixed at 4%. मागणी आसा आमच्या गोंय सरकाराकडे की आमचो भुरग्यांचो आमच्या तरणाट्याचो फुडार तुमच्या हातीन आसा. You all should take steps not only to strengthen the youth but also to strengthen the economy of Goa. Thank you.